Hello students, in the previous video we had seen chapter 2 of class 6 science NCERT, that is components of food, and its NCERT book solution. Now in this video we will see some extra exercise for this chapter. So let's start with this exercise. So first question of this exercise, choose the correct alternative from the following options. So in this first question, which of the following is not a nutrient? Option is given to you: carbohydrate, fat, dietary fiber or protein. So your answer is C, dietary fiber. Next question is, which of the following is not a main component or nutrient of our food? This protein, fat, carbohydrate or water. So your answer is D, water. The next question, which solution is used to detect the presence of starch in food? Option is given to you: copper sulfate solution, caustic soda solution, iodine solution and sodium chloride solution. So the answer is iodine solution. To detect the presence of starch, we need iodine solution. The next is, which of the following food provides maximum carbohydrates? Pulses, rice, vegetables or fruits? So your answer is rice. Rice provides us maximum carbohydrates. Next question, which nutrient is obtained from oily food? Options are like this: carbohydrate, protein, fat and vitamin. So your answer is fat. We are obtain fat from the oily foods. Next question, which of the following is considered as a complete food? Grains, pulses, fruit or milk? So milk is considered as a complete food because we are getting many nutrients from the milk. Next is, which of the following practices keeps the nutrients of fruits and vegetables intact? Options A, first cutting and then washing them. B, first washing and then cutting them. C, by peeling off. Or D, first cutting them and then keeping them in water. So your answer is first washing and then cutting them. Answer B. The next question, deficiency of which vitamin result in loss of vision and night blindness? So deficiency of vitamin A results in loss of vision and night blindness. Next question, which disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B? So due to the deficiency of vitamin B, a person may suffer from beriberi. So your answer is C, beriberi. Next question, deficiency of which vitamin leads to the bleeding gums? So answer is vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C leads to bleeding gums. Next question, 11 number, due to deficiency of which vitamin do our bones become soft and bend? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C or vitamin D? So your answer is vitamin D. Due to the deficiency of vitamin D, our bones become soft and bend. Next is, which disease is caused due to deficiency of iodine? So due to the deficiency of iodine, goiter will cause. The next is, which mineral is necessary for healthy bones? Iron, calcium, iodine or sodium? So your answer is calcium. Calcium is necessary for healthy bones. Next question, which part of our body gets affected by rickets? So options are like this: eyes, teeth, nerves or bones? So answer is bones, D. Bones get affected by the disease called rickets. Next is deficiency of which mineral results in anemia? Iron, calcium, iodine or phosphorus. So your answer is A, iron. Deficiency of iron results in anemia. So here the answer of these questions is given to you. The next question in question 2, fill in the blanks. This first blank. When 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution are poured on wheat flour, its color changes to blank. So its color changes to blue or black. So your answer is blue-black. The next blank. The carbohydrates found in our food are mainly in the form of blank and blank. So the carbohydrates found in our food are mainly in the form of starch and sugar. So your answer is starch and sugar. Next blank. Blank gives us more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. So your answer is fat. Fat gives us more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Next phone number. Foods containing blank are often called bodybuilding foods. So the foods containing protein are often called bodybuilding foods. So your answer is protein. The next blank, fifth number. Blank helps in protecting our body against disease. So vitamins helps in protecting our body against disease. Next is amla or gooseberry is a good source of vitamin blank. So amla is a good source of vitamin C. Your answer is vitamin C. Next is rice is a good source of blank. So rice is a good source of carbohydrates. So your answer is carbohydrates. Here the answer of fill in the blanks is given to you. The next question, give only answers to the following questions. So first question is, which essential nutrient is obtained from pulses? So the answer is protein. Protein is obtained from pulses. Next question, which vitamin forms in the skin due to early sunshine? So vitamin D forms in the skin due to early sunshine. So your answer is vitamin D. The next question, which vitamin is necessary for keeping the eyes healthy? So vitamin A is necessary for keeping the eyes healthy. Vitamin A is your answer. Next question, which vitamin is present in sour fruits? So vitamin C is present in the sour fruits. So vitamin C is your answer. Next is the deficiency of which vitamin causes rickets? So the deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. The next question, number 6, the deficiency of which mineral causes goiter? So the deficiency of iodine causes goiter. So iodine is your answer. Next number, which deficiency disease results in weak muscles? So answer is beriberi. Beriberi disease results in weak muscles. Next question, which vitamin is not present in milk? So vitamin C is not present in milk. So vitamin C is your answer. Here the answers of this question is given to you. Now next question is, state whether the following statements are true or false. So first statement, our meal usually has at least one item made from more than one ingredients. So the answer is true. Our meal usually has at least one item made from more than one ingredients. The next question, iodine solution is yellow in color. So your answer is true. Iodine solution is yellow in color. Next is, the vitamins are considered the main nutrients of our food. So your answer is false. Vitamins are not considered the main nutrients of our food. The next is the deficiency of vitamin D results in the weakening of muscles. So the answer is false. The next question, vitamin A keeps our eyes and skin healthy. So your answer is true. Next, true false, 6 number, sour fruits contain vitamin B. So answer is false. It contains vitamin C. The next question, the roughage helps our body to get rid of undigested food. So your answer is true. Roughage helps our body to get rid of undigested food. The next question, idli and dhokla are fermented food. So answer is true. The next is vitamin C gets easily destroyed by heat during cooking. So answer is true. Next is night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of minerals. So answer is false. It is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Next is obesity is a deficiency disease. So your answer is again false. It's not a deficiency disease. It caused due to the overeating or taking too much of fats. Next is anemia is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. So again your answer is false. Anemia is caused due to the deficiency of iron. Next question, here the answer of the true false is given to you. The next question is answer the following questions in one statement or one sentence. In that first one, food containing which nutrients are called energy giving foods? So foods containing fats and carbohydrates are called energy giving foods. The next question, what are the major nutrients found in our food? So the major nutrients found in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. The next question, what is the color of copper sulfate solution? So the color of copper sulfate solution is blue. The next question, which nutrients present in food can be easily tested? So carbohydrates, proteins and fats in food can be tested easily or can be easily tested. The next question, what color does starch give when mixed with a solution of iodine? So starch when mixed with dilute iodine solution, it turns blue or black. The next question, to what color does a protein containing food turn when 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda solutions are added to it? So when 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda solution are added to a protein containing food, it turns the food item violet. So when you pour these drops on a food which contain protein, it turns into violet color. The next question, what are the nutrients that our body requires in small amount? So minerals and vitamins are required in small amount in our body or in our food. The next is, which food items provide us with dietary fibers? So grains, pulses, fresh fruits and vegetables provide us with dietary fibers. The next question, what will happen if a child does not get enough protein in his food for a long time? So if a child does not get enough protein in his food for a long time, he is likely to have stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin disease and diarrhea. And this disease is known as the kwashiorkor disease. kwashiorkor disease. The next question, what will happen if a child does not get enough protein and carbohydrates in his food for a long time? So, if a child does not get enough protein and carbohydrates in his food for a long time, his growth may stop completely. The child becomes very lean and thin and so weak that he may not be able to move. The next question, what do you mean by balanced diet? So a diet that has all the nutrients that our body needs in adequate quantities and from which our body gets complete nutrition is called a balanced diet. The next question, what do you mean by deficiency disease? So the disease that occur due to the lack of nutrients in our body over a long period are called deficiency disease. So here now next question is differences. Write the differences. So here three differences given to you. First is carbohydrates and fats. Next is vitamin C and vitamin D. Next vitamins and minerals. So let me see the first difference, that is between carbohydrates and fats. So carbohydrates, we get it from grains like wheat, bajra, rice and sweet items like jaggery and sugar. Whereas fat, we get it from items like milk, eggs, meat, groundnuts and oil. Carbohydrate gives us less energy as compared to fat, whereas fat gives us more energy as compared to carbohydrates. So this is the difference between carbohydrates and fats. Now the next difference, that is between vitamin C and vitamin D. So first, vitamin C, we get it from sour fruits, whereas vitamin D, we get it from items like milk, eggs, meat, fish and sunlight. Deficiency of vitamin C causes the disease called scurvy, whereas deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. So this is the difference between vitamin C and vitamin D. The next is vitamins and minerals. So vitamins help the body fight against disease, whereas minerals are essential for the proper functioning of body and carry out different processes. Vitamins, they are essential for good eyesight, bone and teeth, whereas minerals, they are essential for the development of blood, bones and teeth. So these are the difference between vitamins and minerals. The next question is matching. Match the column A with the B. In column A, the vitamins given to you, and in column B, the disease which are caused due to the deficiency of these vitamins is given to you. So first in column A, vitamin A, B, C and D is given to you, whereas in column B, scurvy, night blindness, rickets, beriberi and goiter is given to you. So first is A, vitamin A. Due to the deficiency of vitamin A, person will suffer from night blindness. Due to vitamin B, person might suffer from beriberi. Due to the vitamin C, person may suffer from scurvy disease. And due to vitamin D, person suffer from rickets. So vitamin A, night blindness, vitamin B, beriberi, vitamin C, scurvy and vitamin D, rickets. The answer is also given to you here. The next matching is between nutrients and source of that nutrients. In the column A, nutrients are given to you, that is carbohydrates, fats, proteins and vitamins. Whereas in column B, the sources of these nutrients is given to you, that is pulses, grains, vegetables and fruits and oily items. So first is carbohydrates. So we are getting carbohydrates from the grains. The next is fats. So we are getting fat from the oily items. The next is proteins. So we are getting protein from pulses. And last one is vitamins. So we are getting these vitamins from vegetables and fruits. So here the answer of your matching is also given to you. In the next video, so here our chapter gets over the explanation and exercise and solution of NCERT book. In the next video, we will see our next chapter, chapter 3, Fiber to Fabric. Thank you.